Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've got an unpacking to do today, and this one has come to me from the lovely people at paintsomeway.com. I've done some unboxings for them in the past, and they said would I like to have some more products to show you. I said yes, of course. They have got some fantastic special offers on at the moment. There is up to 70% off shipping, and if you buy one painting you get 8% off, and then it goes down to if you buy 10 paintings you get 20% off. I'll put a little screenshot of all the different ones that you can get, all the different offers that are on. Obviously, do just double check before you order to see if the special offers are still valid at the moment, because this is this morning as I've made the video, and yeah, if you're watching this in a couple of months time it might be different special offers, but they do have some great offers, so go and check them out. And big thank you to Paint Some Way for sending me these. So we have, oh, that's a different package there to look at. And then we have a diamond painting. So I think they're both special drill projects, which are my specials that I love doing. Let's have a look at this one first. I've not had one of these for a long time, and this one just really caught my eye. So it's come in a nice Ziploc bag, which is excellent. These are always really handy to keep for keeping your diamond paintings in and other things. We have a pen, boat and wax all ready to use there. All special drills. Oh, and ABs as well. Oh, that looks like quite an exciting mix of drills there. And it is a lovely, look at that, notebook. But look at the design on that one. I just think it's like one of those Venetian masks, and it's all going to be special drill. And I thought, yeah, I just really like that. It's like a soft cover to the book. It is, you know, there is quite a bit of stiffness to it, but it's not a hardback. It is quite a soft cover. And oh, it's a plain, so it's like a sketchbook rather than a notebook, because we have no lines in it. And I think it's a pretty standard thickness of paper. You can see a little bit through it, so if you were using markers or paints on it, I would suggest putting something underneath. You could even use your bag look just to put underneath, or some tissue or something, so that it doesn't go through onto your other pages. But yeah, great notebook. I believe, I don't know whether it said it was about 50 pages, something like that. Looks roughly 50-ish pages, 40-50 pages. But I love this black, and it's like a faux leather, so you have got a little bit, I think you can just about, yeah, you can see you've got like a texture on it, so it's like a faux leather, so it's nice and easy to wipe clean. I would suggest that once you've done this one, to actually put a sealer over the top, because if you're putting it in and out of a bag or handling it quite a lot, then your drills can move somewhat. So yeah, if you just put a sealer on, it just stops the drills from coming off and moving. It is what the classes are partial, so it's only where the numbers and letters are that's sticky for your drills to go on. Yeah, there's no sticky on this white bit here. It is just on the little circles that are there to show you where to put the drills. Let me just see, is the face sticky? No, it's not. So that's really good quality, because sometimes when you get things like this, they will have just put the glue all the way over the whole thing, and you'll end up with this part being sticky, but it's not. It is just literally where the drills go. So that's really good. Very good quality. Like that idea. Okay, and obviously very, very useful notebooks. I use them quite a bit. Hubby likes to write things down now because his memory's not what it was. And yeah, I actually use one for logging all my diamond paintings in as well. Well, cards, not diamond paintings, the cards. I use them for those. So yeah. Okay, so let's have a look. The size of this is 14.5 centimetres, which is 5 3/4 inches. By 21 centimetres, which is 8 1/4 inches. So it's a nice sort of A5-ish size. like a half A4 paper folded in half. Obviously your pages are just a couple of millimetres smaller. It is just the cover that's that size, but yeah, nice bound book as well, nicely finished off there, like that. Okay, let's have a look at these gems. Oh, I do like my sparkle. The price of this one on the website at the moment is $7.99. But obviously, if it's still valid, there is that money off that you can look for. Ooh, so we have 7 different gems and colours. We've got this gorgeous bright lemony gold and a little bit of a muted more honey gold. Lovely and nice clear silver. And then that one's like a grey colour, very pale grey with the silver backing. And then look, we've got blue AB. That's a dark blue gem, and it's got an iridescent coating over the top. So you get that real oil on water effect. You've got your little pearls there, little half circles, half spheres, again with the iridescent coating on. And then we have the fire red, so they're like an orangey red colour. Gem, all faceted, a large round, and again that's got like an iridescent coating on, so you get all that different colour. So like gold, grey and blue, and then just some fire red there, just to bring it out, just to highlight down here around the collar. Wow, nice little project to do, just a little, maybe an hour or so on an evening, just to sit and pop those on. And they're very good as presents as well. So most people can make use of that using a notebook. So yeah, really like that one. As I say, the Venetian mask style of it just really spoke to me. I thought, yeah, I'm gonna have to have that one. Okay, so we'll leave you over there watching what we're doing, and we'll have a look at this one. And I believe that this is an 80 by 30 painting, so let's have a look and see what we got. Okay, the price of this one at the moment on the website is $8.99. I think you will see why once I've got it open. Yeah, it is a nice long one. I do like these landscape long thin paintings, because I like them above like a window or a door or something, or if you've got a unit that's only got a little bit of space sort of in between the top of the unit and the ceiling, then they just fill that little bit of space. So pen, boat and wax, and it is all a special drill look and special shapes. Look at that. Okay, so let's see what we got. And it's this way up, and it's this gorgeous blossom tree, and I just fell in love with it as soon as I saw it. It's like, it's a blue at one side and orange on the other, so you're like nearly going from day to night on this one, or from summer to winter. And then you've got your tree in the middle here and all the blossoms spreading out, and I just think with special drills this is going to be absolutely stunning. It's like a patchwork paint square effect in the background. So we're going from our warmer colours to our cooler colours at that side, and I just thought, oh, I know exactly where this one will go, because I've got just the space in my room where it will go. Let's just give it a bit of a flatten. It's a special drill, so it is a partial, so it is literally just where the gems, sorry, where the numbers are on the canvas. So none of the background has any sticky, any glue on it. It is just literally all of all this blossom here and the tree. And oh, it's going to look absolutely stunning. And it looks as though we have a clear crystal teardrops for all this blossom, all these number 3s. Wow. Oh, let's have a look and see what the colours are. I think this will fit in with a lot of different decors in rooms, because you've got like your squares, and then you've got your flowers, and then it's quite, albeit you've got quite a few colours here, the actual tree and the blossom is all going to be silvery. So So the silver will match a lot of different decor. So gosh, look at that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 big bags of the teardrops to make up the petals on this blossom. Wow, I've never had that before. That is amazing. And they are so clear. The faceted teardrops, so they're really going to sparkle and catch the light. And then we just have the rounds, faceted large rounds in like a honey gold, which are going to be the middles of the blossom. Heck, we have a little bit of your standard black resin drill for the tree trunk here, just up here. And then everything else is going to be just in these nice clear crystals. Look how clear they are. They're almost showing up the blue of the packet coming through. That's how clear and reflective they are. And then that's all the other little bits of blossom that haven't quite come out yet are all going to be in the silver. So wow, there is quite a bit to do, but because there are so many large gems, actually the smaller sizes, there isn't that much on this one to do. So I think this is going to work up quite quickly and be very, very effective, very stunning afterwards. It is just literally the 4 different gems and colours on this. And it's something that, although it's simple, it's going to look really, really effective. And I can imagine people walking in and really liking it as well. Well, I hope so anyway. But wow, let me know what you think. I'm quite into these larger special drill paintings at the moment. I do think that they're just sort of a statement piece without taking too long to do, because, you know, as I say, I do tend to prefer a project that doesn't take me too long to do. They tend to worry me if they take too long. If I know I've got it sat there, I can just think, oh, I've got to get that done, I've got to get that done. And something like this will just be real relaxing to just sit and put those gems on and do. In fact, I might even go and do this one after I finish this unboxing, because I think this is gorgeous. I just absolutely love it. Wow. But yeah, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of those teardrops. Goodness me. Just sit and put all those teardrops on. Excellent. Can't wait to get that done. Wow. Watch this space. I don't think I'll be very long doing this one. My fingers are just itching to get those packets open and get all those number 3s put on. I always like to put the big gems on first and then work all the little ones in between. Huge thank you to paintsomeway for sending me these. I love the tree. It is stunning. I can't wait to get that one done. And this notebook is going to be very, very handy, or it may even end up being a gift, because that is just going to be very, very pretty as well once it's done. Okay, don't forget all those special offers, and I will put full details down below of these 2 items that I've got. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them in the comments down below. And if you want to come back, join our little family and see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up, so you won't miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.